Okay, we got our old Thermacell here, which is just working just fine, and it's out of butane. And what we do is we get a new butane here, which I already took the other one out and threw it away, but just a little canister here. You can see it's full of liquid, and to change it, it just goes up in there and then just screws in. I may have to use two hands because I don't know if I can do this with just the one hand, but it screws in there. Let's see if that's, yep, that's going in there now. That screws in there, and then the cap goes back on the Thermacell here like that. And then I also need to change the pad, which is there, that little, it's all a little bit of blue left to it, but mostly it's white. So we're going to pull the pad out of here and change that one. So here's the new pad, and I found the easiest way to do it is just to push the old pad with the new pad so that it pushes it out. And if you're on one side and it doesn't really want to push the other one out, oh, there you go, it's pushing it out, then you can just do it from the other direction. But that seemed to work pretty good. So I have to snap this back on there, which I need two hands for that. But got the butane changed and the blue pad changed, and the blue pad I think lasts about maybe 4-ish hours, and this seems to last about twice that long. So we have to replace this about every 2 times we do that one. So anyway, good stuff. We like it. It works really, really well. It does keep the mosquitoes away.